Okay, so today we will be wild camping in the mountains. Right, so we're gonna go to these trees, the dam there, with all those animal tracks here at the water. Most of these tracks here, that's kudu tracks. Look at all these blossoms on everything. It's just so green right now. And here we are gonna camp. We have made a fire here a few times. Never camped here. We're in the mountains. Here I have some twine that I shredded, and we're gonna light that on fire with the flint.
Oh, that was easy. Now to keep it burning.
We have to keep it burning. Light all this little sticks on fire. Just don't smother it.
Wait. It's burning. There we go. Then we're also going to use some of this, which is well known for burning well in the field. It's from a type of aloe that dries out, and it's got some oils in it to help burn.
Here we have that fire going strong. So under our chair we have coals that we throw under our chairs, so it is very nice in this cold weather. So we've got the meat on. We're gonna eat like kings tonight. What we've got going on here is that if you put a plastic water bottle and you fill it with water, the plastic bottle won't melt, and you can boil your water in it. Good morning. It is a beautiful morning with the sun rising just over the hills. Okay, so we're gonna walk up this hill right here to watch the sunrise. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed this adventure. Of course, you don't have to, but if you want to, like and subscribe for more amazing adventures.